Welcome to LA. Golly. Today we are here to clean up this graffiti. Nah. Pretty funny, huh? I got jokes. Oh man. Well, that's lovely. Maybe this one? Oh, and it works. There was a leak. They sent me a video, and I thought there was a pinhole on this. But clearly not. What the heck could that be? You gotta be kidding me. It's wet. This is all wet. What the heck, dude? Hello, plumber. This is all wet. This is all soaked. All right, well. Guess we'll check out the beautiful neighborhood while we wait for the on-site manager. The on-site manager has a key. We're gonna have to, what the heck? Something's not adding up right here. So I was just over here not that long ago, and this was not like that. People smoke in these hallways. Carlos, there's a lot of dirty water coming from upstairs to our bathroom. We are going to leave the key to the Maribel's house, 21. Oh, is there a key? Oh, they must have put it through there. Oh no, that's not good. So the Oh, look, there's water on the floor right here. Oh, no. Hello, plumber. Hi, is there a leak? Is there a leak? Is there a leak?
Yes, I ended up turning off the water.
What happened?
It was the toilet.
Oh.
Because I came home and I saw the water.
That
So
steps
I ended
up.
up just cleaning it, and then right now I turned it on to see if it was gonna leak again, but it stopped.
Oh no. So was it leaking when you got here?
Yes.
So nobody was here?
No.
Seriously?
Yeah. So I ended up just draining everything, all the water, because it was like pretty high.
Wow.
2 inches? So yeah.
All right. Carlos is gonna be here in a second. Is it flushing or?
Yes, it flushed. Oh, you could try it again.
Can I put that out there?
Yeah, because when I got home, it was flooded, and then I turned off the water. And I pressed it
Why is this
again,
not
and
filling?
it went through.
All right. We'll let that fill. I'm gonna go back downstairs real quick to just, because it was showing up on the first floor.
Yeah.
Are you the one that sent the video to Carlos?
No.
No? Okay. I'm gonna come right back, okay? Thank you. What the heck? That's their bathroom. Oh man, so it was flooding. So it was just going down. And it must have been leaking out under the wall. And then down onto the floor. Wow, okay. Watch your step.
You need open?
Yeah. Would you mind opening it?
Yeah, she has the problem with that.
Yeah, I saw the note on Carlos's door. So that was coming from 19. The issue. Yikes. Not good. Look how high the water came. Oh, it must have just been coming through the walls or something. Oh, wait, no, that's just tape. Los, is that you? I figured it out.
Take with me. I have a key. Okay.
We're in 10. Oh man, this is soaked. Yeah, this whole bathroom slopes that way.
You need the glove.
Wow. Oh no, look at that.
What the fuck?
It came from 19. She said she wasn't home, but see how this floor slopes that way?
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking it was just pouring down and it was just escaping under the wall. It had to have been. There's no other explanation. Because look at right there. Look at right there.
Right.
She said she wasn't home, but I'm not believing it, dude, because there was like Q-tips and stuff in her toilet. I think she maybe tried to flush something and then just said she wasn't home. Because how's the toilet gonna, on the 3rd floor, how's it gonna start overflowing? It's the 3rd floor. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I think is Unit 19 new?
Let me put some signs up.
Sure.
19. Yes, it's one, but not that much. It's been here for a minute already.
Nick leased to her?
Yeah. So nobody's there?
No, she's here.
Oh my god. So this is been overflowing?
Yeah. Hello. it's flushing now though. No, it's not flushing.
You fucking put fucking Q-tips in there. Are you putting Q-tips in there?
No, when I was swooping like out the water, I had to put them in there. But it wasn't because it was that.
I mean, I don't know why there's Q-tips in there, but just by looking, please don't put no fucking Q-tips in the goddamn fucking toilet. Some fucking problem, man. What the hell's wrong with y'all?
I will, let me get my toilet auger real quick, and we will auger this out. I think we're good. Just make sure not to flush anything other than toilet paper.
Oh no, I don't. I swear I don't.
No, I'm just saying, just for future
Yeah.
reference, just nothing but toilet paper,
I know. It's
Dookie or
like,
pee.
when I was swooping everything, I think there was some that I had in the there fully. But I swear I don't put anything in the toilet.
No, it's all good. I believe you. Whoops. That was kind of an odd flush. Yeah, something's not right. There's something in the trap. That's why you always got to do toilet paper flush tests, because it may flush normally. See, now it's not flushing. Odd. Well, let's auger that again. What is that? It's a flossing thing. What about this flossing thing? I just pulled this out.
Flossing.
I just pulled this out. This was in the toilet.
Oh.
You floss a lot?
Well, every day. But I feel like that must have been months because I changed it to white ones for like a month and a half.
All right.
I'm sure.
So just please, in the future, nothing
Okay.
but toilet paper.
All right.
I mean, I don't care, but I know the building does.
Okay.
It's actually good for me if you flush this stuff, but not so much for the building. And I gotta look out for my customers,
Yeah.
All right. Let's try this again. Okay. That flushes normal, but it's with toilet paper that we gotta make sure that flushes. we're all good now. All right, last one. Flush nicely. I might do one more just to be safe. Just to be safe, because that was pretty bad. Good on the toilet. Look what I'm finding in here. Hey, I'm finding these flossing things in your tub.
In the tub?
Yeah. I just pulled that one out right there.
Is it along?
It's right there.
I think I might have, not intentionally. Not intentionally.
Yeah, just be cautious, you know?
Okay.
That was barely draining. It's better now. Just a lot of hair. The hair I understand, but draining better now. What's that? All right, should be all right. All right, we're good. I can't remember if I showed it on camera or not, but basically the reason it flooded 3 floors, because Carlos's first question was, how long was it running for? The reason it was so bad is her flapper was not fully shutting. And I fixed it. I don't know if I showed that on camera or not, but I fixed it. And it didn't occur to me until right now that's why so much water was escaping from that toilet, because the flapper wasn't fully closing. So pretty crazy though. All right, later.